Hi everyone. Today we learn how to make journal entry for asset disposal. So what is fixed asset disposal? For example, we purchase and use fixed assets such as building, machine, car, truck, or other long-term assets. So we cannot use them forever. We need to sell them at sometime at the future. When we sold them, we get some cash can be gain or loss on fixed deposit. For example, ABC company before it purchased a machine for 200,000. After we sold that machine and get cash only 40,000. After we use that amount, accumulated depreciation 170,000. So how can we make journal entry for that transaction? The first time we need to calculate gain or loss on fixed asset disposal equal proceed mean that amount that we get from our customer or from buyer minus net book value. How much we got? 40,000. And net book value, cost of machine 200,000 minus accumulated depreciation 170,000. Yeah, 40,000 minus 30,000. So we got 10,000 as gain on fixed deposit. Then we can make journal entry. Debit cash we got 40,000. Debit accumulated depreciation. Before accumulated depreciation have balance at credit side. Now we remove at debit side. How much? 270,000. And credit machine is a fixed asset. Before it has balance at debit side. Now we sold them, remove at credit side 200,000. Yeah, 200,000. And we gain on fixed asset disposal. Again as revenue type how much? 10,000. 200 plus 10,000 equal to 40,000 plus 170,000. Thank you so much for watching our video.